and Widder's Leap, where a lifter, which was a sheep stealer in those days, stole a sheep and they put them over their shoulders and ran. And it was a very narrow part of the rocks there, and he tried to jump across and he missed, and he fell to his death while they were chasing him. And no, I don't know what happened to the sheep. Someone always asks. It's a sheep thing, actually. Chorus is Watch the River Flow.
And watch the river flows as you're with. It wanders through your soul. It'll teach you all you need to know. For all things come and they go. From Tugreenor to Macandon, down where to sleep from Blindburn on. The shepherds walk on Kidlands Green, Halwynton's meadows, riverside dream. And watch the river flow. It wanders through your soul. It'll teach you all you need to know. For all things come and they go. And Simonside dawn, Cheviot's glow, and Rothbury village sits down below. Up our flats, salmon lady, secrets to keep ere the river sleep. So watch the river flow. It wanders through your soul. It'll teach you all you need to know. For all things come and they go. From Ladyswell and Holystone, the Coquet flows fast on down to Bringburn's walls, so tall and strong. Holy vows kept in the priory song. And watch the river flow. It wanders through your soul. It'll teach you all you need to know. For all things come and they go. And watch the river. It wanders through your soul. Teach you all you need to know. All things come and they go. All things come and they go.